Hey, first graders, this is the place value math station. And currently, the only activity in the place value math station is the one more and the one less game. All right, I'm going to do directions for all three dot groups in this video. I just want you to be aware that I'm going to model the yellow one, but I just want to show you the dice for the green and blue one first. This is an 8-sided die, green dots. So when it lands, the number that you can see landing facing up at you is the number that, and like the number that you see that's facing up at you that's in the right writing direction. So if it lands like this, obviously the 7 is upside down, so your number would be 8. So you would have to do one more or one less than 8. It'd be up to you. Okay, so like I said, I was gonna, and then for the blue dot people, you have a 12-sided dice. Same thing, for just make sure that the spot that's facing up at you is the one that you have to do one more or one less of. Okay, so that is that. All right. So this game is set up for 2 players. It is a Connect 4 game, which means you can get 4 in a row that way, this way, or diagonally that way. All right, and again, I'm doing this for all groups, even though I'm using the yellow as a model. All right, decide which player gets the red one and which gets the black one. If you don't know, roll a dice. Whoever has the highest number can choose the color they like. Same can be said for who gets to roll first. This game also includes a little eraser. Please try to make sure that that stays with the game. All right, let's just say that I rolled highest number, so I'm gonna go first. I rolled a 4. I need to either cross off a number that is 1 more than 4, which is 5, or 1 less than 4, which is 3. I'm gonna cross off a 3. Okay. You rolled a 3, so you can cross off 1 more than 3 is 4, or 1 less than 3 is 2. So you can do a 4 or a 2. Well, you're gonna wanna, let's go and cross off 1 more than 3 is 4. All right, I rolled a 1. I can cross off 1 less than 1 is 0, 1 more than 1 is 2. I'm gonna cross off a 0. All right, your turn. You rolled a 4. 1 more than 4 is 5. 1 less than 4 is 3. Ooh. I rolled a 4. 1 more than 4 is 5. 1 less than 4 is 3. I'm gonna go with a 5. 1 more than 4 is 5. You rolled a 4. So 1 more than 4 is 5. 1 less than 4 is 3. You're gonna cross off a 3. All right. Ooh, I rolled a 3, which means I get to choose. I'm going to choose that 1. And now look, I have 1, 2, 3, 4 in a row. I win this round. All right, before you erase your boards, one person from the game can take a picture of the board and use the mic to say who they played the game with and who won, and maybe tell me what was the winning X. So since this was the winning X, I would say I played with you ... and I won this first round by rolling a free. So that made me cross off the 1. Or I could say I crossed, let's say if I had rolled a 2, I could say I crossed off a 1 because 1 is less than 2. So photo, tell me who you played with, who won, and tell me what the last number was that got crossed off. And how did you know that that one was going to be the one crossed off? In this case, it was free. If you have time, play a couple rounds. When you're done, make sure you erase all the marks off, and that the caps click on the markers, and that the 2 markers, the dice, the little eraser, and the game board all make it back in the bag, and the bag makes it back in the bin.